If you need to connect to your GoDaddy website files using FTP, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. We're going to cover how to find your FTP details inside GoDaddy, how to set up an FTP account if needed, and how to connect using FileZilla so you can access your site files quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the homepage loads, sign in with the account that manages your hosting plan. This part is important because your FTP settings live inside the hosting dashboard, so you need the correct account connected to that website. After signing in, go to My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy domains, hosting plans, and services are listed in one place. Look for your web hosting plan because that's the section that contains the cPanel and FTP tools. Under Web Hosting, click Manage. This will open the hosting management area for the website you want to connect to. If you have more than one hosting plan, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't accidentally open the wrong site. Next, open cPanel Admin. cPanel is the control panel that gives you access to your hosting files, email tools, databases, and FTP settings. Once cPanel opens, you're looking for the File Management section. Go to Files, then click FTP. Accounts. This is where you can create a new FTP account or view existing ones. If you already have an FTP account set up, you may be able to use that right away. If not, you can create a new one here in just a few clicks. If you need to create a new account, click Add FTP Account. Then enter a username and password you'll remember. Make sure the password is strong and stored safely because you'll need it when connecting from your FTP client. You'll also need to choose the directory this account can access. If you want full access to your website files, be careful to set the correct folder for your hosting setup. Once the account is created, or if you're using an existing one, take note of the FTP host, username, password, and port. In most cases, the port is 21, which is the standard FTP port. These details are what you'll enter into your FTP software to connect to your hosting account. Now it's time to open your FTP client. A popular free option is FileZilla, but you can use any FTP client you like. If you don't already have one installed, download and open FileZilla first. This tool gives you a simple way to browse your website files and upload or download content. Inside FileZilla, you'll see fields for host, username, password, and port. Enter the FTP host exactly as provided by GoDaddy, then type in your FTP username and password. For the port, enter 21 unless your hosting provider gave you a different port number. Be sure everything is typed correctly because even one small mistake can stop the connection from working. After all the details are filled in, click Quickconnect. FileZilla will try to connect to your GoDaddy hosting account. If the details are correct, you'll see your website directories appear on the screen. At that point, you can browse your files, upload website content, download backups, or make the changes you need. If the connection doesn't work right away, double check your host name, username, password, and port. Also, make sure you created the FTP account correctly inside cPanel and that your hosting plan supports FTP access. In many cases, connection issues are just caused by a typo or the wrong login details, and that's it. You now know how to FTP into GoDaddy using your hosting account and an FTP client like FileZilla. This is a really useful skill if you need to manage files, upload a website, or troubleshoot your hosting setup. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.